We're cracking up. And we're at the Star Showcase home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. Today we're here with Beran Concrete, and they are obviously staring out the concrete. We're going to have a little bit reconfigured driveway, but it's going to be nice. We're going to repair the sidewalk, just make this whole side entrance a lot more inviting. It's very loud. Hi, this is Kelly DeSestro, and I'm at the Star Showcase home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. Today we're here with Zeb from Beran Concrete. Hi.
How you doing?
Doing well. Let's start off by talking a little bit about why we decided to redo the driveway and the sidewalk.
So a portion of this driveway was original to the house when it was built. Another portion had been added on, and actually the original portion was pretty well constructed, but was basically 100 years old. The other portion added on was probably not as well constructed and cracked quite a bit, and kind of left a weird angle to drive up in here and how the parking area was. So best to take it out now while everything else is torn up and before the landscaping gets redone.
So Zeb, what specific challenges did we run into on this project?
So I think anytime you tie into an older home and an older driveway, there's some different things you don't know what you're going to find underneath or how you're going to tie the driveway into the garage. In this case, we have a tough time tying into the street that's now in place and the trees and everything that are in the right-of-ways. It's the best we can do to kind of work around them and try to provide a workable driveway and usable driveway. It's still pretty steep in the approach, but the parking area and the landscaping that'll go around it should add a lot of curb appeal now.
So how long does something like this take, and what sort of special equipment did we have to use?
Normally we would be in one day, poured the second day. We kind of spread this one out just a little bit more logistically. The street behind us is really tight. People still park on the sides of the street. And so just for kind of an ease of access, we actually demoed the driveway the day before, set all the forms, got everything ready yesterday, and then started pouring this morning and should finish up this afternoon. So 3 days total in this case. Equipment-wise, a lot of this kind of work is still done by hand. We do have skid loaders and things that we use for the demolition part and moving material around, but as far as setting the forms and setting the stakes, everything's still done by hand.
So Zeb, tell me a little bit about the local nature and history of Beran Concrete.
So Beran Concrete was founded in 1980 by Ken Beran. His son now owns it, Brock. Started out mainly as a residential flat work company doing these kinds of projects. I've actually been a part of this since 1995, since my freshman year of high school. Back then, I'd say we had 25 employees, and now we're about 200. We have a full excavation side, do a lot of commercial work, and have our own ready mix plant now.
So in addition to helping out with the Wichita Children's Home, you've been involved in a lot of projects around Wichita.
So I think in the area, most people would notice us if they see the stamp at the end of their driveway. We definitely started out as a residential company and have done that for quite a while. Other projects you may not have known that we worked on would be the downtown arena, the airport here in Wichita, K-State's football stadium, and Coke's new office building.
Well, thank you so much for helping out with this project. All the net proceeds from the sale of this home are going to go to the Wichita Children's Home, so we really appreciate your involvement.
No, we were happy to help out. We have a great relationship with Star Lumber, and when there's a good cause and we can contribute, we enjoy doing so. So thanks for letting us be a part of it.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Star Showcase Home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. You can see more about the project and find back episodes at starlumber.com, Star's Facebook or Instagram page.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.